Hi friends, this is Donzella. Today I'm making an easy tuna cranberry salad snack wrap, and this is creamy tuna that's wrapped in a soft tortilla, and it's a perfect high protein meal. This recipe is budget friendly, it's beginner friendly, and it comes together in minutes, and it's made with ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Whether you need a simple lunch meal, light dinner, this tuna wrap is delicious. So if you enjoy easy recipes, affordable meals, subscribe for more simple cooking videos. And remember, the main ingredient in every dish is love. And whatever your hands find to do it with all your might. And so let's get started on our tuna. So I'm using albacore tuna. I like it because it's light, doesn't have a strong fishy taste. And to this, I'm going to add a little Creole seasoning. Not too much because your tuna's a little salty. I love my Mrs. Dash because my Mrs. Dash does not have a lot of salt, but it has a whole lot of flavor, and that works for me with my high blood pressure. So here we go with Mrs. Dash. And that's the pasta blend. And I'm using the Mrs. Dash lemon pepper and a little bit of onion powder. And we're going to put in just some real mayo. And I also like to use a little ranch dressing. Put the ranch in there. And I'm going to put in a handful of cranberries. Okay, regular cranberries. All right, so we'll just mix this up like so. Simple, comes together very quickly. Mix that all up. And add the seasonings to taste. Add the seasonings that you like, that your family likes. These are just seasonings that I use, but the basic premise of this recipe is just your tuna, your seasonings, cranberries. It's what puts the extra twist on this tuna salad. Just adding a little sweetness to it makes a big difference. I'm going to taste a little bit, see if this is seasoned just right for me. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay. I'm going to add a little relish. Some people like relish. Whatever you like to add to your tuna is fine. Tuna is very versatile, so never count it out. So we take our wrap, put a little tuna in here. Like I said, it's great for lunch. Kids love it. From the plain old tuna, put it in like so. Let's fold the sides together, like so. And let's do a little roll on it. So that's one little snack wrap. Another one together. A little tuna in there. These make good appetizers too, lovely appetizers for little potluck things that you can take. That's wrap number 2. Make another snack wrap here. There we go. And here we are. And we have some very easy, simple tuna snack wraps. Cut it in half. And this is what we have. Simple, easy snack. So I hope you enjoy these simple tuna cranberry salad snack wraps. And if you enjoy these recipes again, um, like, share, and subscribe. And thank you again, friends, for watching. And have a blessed day. And as I say, whatever you make it with love. And whatever you do with your hands, do it with all your might. And that's Ecclesiastes 9:10. And have a blessed day. Thank you, friends.